Okay, so what we're looking at here is mixing ionic compounds, and that's copper 2 sulfate in the first row. We're going to mix 3 drops in every well, or put 3 drops in every well. And copper 2 sulfate is an ionic compound that's just been dissolved in water, and now it's free-floating cations and anions. And next we're going to mix sodium phosphate into the first well, another 3 drops, see how those come together. And we can see there's a cloudy precipitate that forms. Next we're going to mix sodium hydroxide, again with that copper 2 sulfate from the first time. And again, you can see in that one it's not quite as white, but the solution got grainy. Now we have sodium carbonate, so sodium carbonate's being put into the copper 2 sulfate. Again, definitely this kind of cloudy milkiness is formed. And then finally, that's sodium iodide, and wow, 2 things here. So you have a color change, a completely unexpected color change to brown, and you also have opaqueness now, milkiness. Okay, so to kind of point out then, this is our first well. We said that these 2 chemicals produced a new chemical. So in that one we had copper sulfate, and I hope you can see this over here, that's CuSO4, and that is going to react with Na3PO4. So if you're following along on your lab sheet, that would mean the ones that are in bold, and that would be the PO4, so I'm going to circle that one, and it's the copper. It's telling you on the lab sheet that it's those reacting, it's not these. And we're going to write a new formula now for these 2, so the CuPO4. So from the first compound we know copper had a 2+ charge from the copper sulfate, and from the first compound and from just memorizing the polyatomic ions, we know phosphate has a 3- charge. So if we cross those and make the overall charge a 0, we would need 3 copper ions for every 2 phosphate ions. And that's our new formula. That is now what is in that well. And I want you to do that for the rest of these if you missed this lab today. So you're going to be writing the formula for this one, and this one. These 3 on the end here, which all clearly had a reaction. Okay, thanks for watching.